Hi, Oki, the vlog here, and it's scooter weather. So here we are with the Lambretta. It's been in the garage all winter. We've got the carburetor apart and cleaned up so this thing idles the way it's supposed to now. And we've got new tires to put on this thing. So let's get these tires put on the Lambretta and take this thing for a proper inaugural ride of the 2021 two-wheel season. Let's get into it.
The main thing is you got to get that valve in there right. And you don't want it to be crooked either.
Right.
You know, help my car.
You can raise the switch position. Yeah, you thought it was bad before.
Move the switch closer toward the center.
Here we go.
Yeah, right there. I got it.
It's on.
Hopefully none of them are pinched. They don't appear to be.
No,
I kind of stuck my finger in there when I was tightening it down.
use a different hole. No, I can do it. I can only work it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about 8 feet. It's not too bad.
There it is. Here it is. All right.
All right.
Back up. Okay, it's clean.
There you go.
Man, you're in business. Oh, there they are. Beep, Papa Louie. Flat. But I want to pay $10 for 4 tires. That included
That one's on.
installation.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Awesome. Okay, so now we got to do the front one.
So,
Going up.
Yep.
Okay. Just a little bit more. Okay. How are we on? Yep, we're good on that side, so you can come down.
it really has no power because the fact that
Believe me, I've done one of each.
pretty windy motor.
Okay.
Or
So you got to bring the washer out.
Oh, you see it.
Oh, but there's one in there too.
That's the one I'm talking about.
Okay, so there's 2 washers.
No, it's one washer, but
Watch your fingers.
somebody put that
Got
big
it.
one in
Yep.
borrow a half.
You got them in the right order, don't you?
there. Okay. You ready?
Yep. Yeah, she's free. All right.
Well, I guess we should have done. I got the wheel.
One ringy dingy.
I love those hammer drills, man. There's
2 ringy
amazing.
dingies. 3 ringy dingies.
Inside the car somewhere.
So I'm gonna keep this one as with me as the spare.
Gotcha. Right? I don't know how to do those.
Well, you can't fully see around the curve. It won't really work. Otherwise,
There's a there's a lug here, and that slides right in there.
that holds the back in place.
Does that need to be greased or anything? Doesn't look like it. Okay. All right.
But you do have a grease fitting here. I wouldn't use it, but and you got another one here that I wouldn't use either.
Why wouldn't you use it?
Because they're getting the brakes.
Because
Right?
if you put too much grease in there, it ends up on the shoe.
Oh yeah, we don't want that.
No, that's not good.
That's not great for braking.
Yeah, no. It's good for lubricating, but it's not good for braking.
The opposite of
Use
braking.
A drop of ATF there
Yeah.
rather than using the grease fitting.
Good point.
And the same for this thing.
Yeah.
There's a gear drive on the inside, and if you put too much in there,
Gets on the brake, and that's not a good thing.
well, you run that risk anyway.
Yep.
That's not a good risk either.
Okay, the lug's in. Okay, now you can lift the axle.
Yep. Now we're in on
I'm in on this side.
this side. Let me get okay. The washer goes in the groove.
You got 2 washers over here, though.
Yeah, that was different. So
Somebody put an extra washer on. You want it back on?
might as well. It was there before.
It's those little washers that fit in the groove that's
The important
the
one.
important ones.
Sometimes just things go smoothly.
With a lot of help. Thank you guys.
Well,
Appreciate it.
somebody knows what they're
You know,
doing.
take it.
You want to ugga-dugga it? Got it. Awesome.
That was exaggeration. Man, that thing has massive. Oh no, those are
20.5. That'll work.
we're right at the store. That's when I decided I don't want any more old motorcycles. And it comes back,
I said, wait. God. I give the guy 1 month. Remember, I have
looking like money, man. Heck yeah. That looks good. Looks great.
This thing is so much fun.
I'll bet.